I'm one of the developer of Autochessia, and very glad to have this opportunity to represent our project. A fully on-chain Autochess using model version 2 and is built entirely from 0 to 1 during Ethereum Shanghai Hackathon. Here is a brief introduction of our team. We are Sambal, Hooks, and Noy. So why do we make Autochessia? Literally because Autochess is a popular game, not only Dota 2, but also Hearthstone and League of Legends have similar gameplay. And it's worth bringing the best things of blockchain to game to make decentralized, transparent, and openness virtual world. At the same time, infrastructure booming gives more possibility to fully on-chain games, where other developers are free to contribute and build composable game modules. Besides all of those reasons, I must emphasize that our passion and beliefs on fully on-chain game plays the most important role in building this project. We are just trying to realize something interesting and also challenging, and we think a strategy game with lower TPS requirement is very appropriate to be built on blockchain. So what is exactly Autochessia? It's a replica of Dota 2 Autochess, but built on the Ethereum blockchain. A game where players compete with others by freely assembling chess piece lineups. And we have implemented hero buying, selling, placing, and upgrading, coin and experience gaining at the end of each round, which impacts how many heroes you can buy and place on your board, and also automatic routing and battling. So to make this game possible on chain, we mainly focused on these three parts. First, we implement the most common used routing algorithm in traditional game, the jump point search. And then we have a good design of take, a very important concept in game. We split one round of a game into several transactions, which are sent periodically and continuously to call auto battle function. Each of those transactions can be treated like a take. At last, we integrate Chainlink VR app to realize randomness in store refreshing. So now let's see a demo about how to play this game. Two players join the room with the same room ID will start a game. The first thing we should do is open the hero store and buy a hero. Now we can see there are heroes, all heroes from Dota 2 games. We buy 2 Crystal Maiden. Now we buy a Brewmaster and a Jug. We can place the Brewmaster on the board. And you can see there is another Brewmaster immediately showed on your opponent's board. Now we place the Crystal Maiden on the board also. Now we can play auto battle to start a round. You can see the Brewmaster is moving toward the Crystal Maiden and they will attack each other. And we can see that their health is decreasing. Okay. When 2 boards are finished, we can enter to the next round. Now I'm gonna move the Brewmaster to the left and upper corner. We can refresh the store and buy the hero that we want. Yeah, we buy a rookie and place at the left and the lowest corner. Now we place another Crystal Maiden on the board and we do the auto battle. The rookie is an assassin, so he can move towards the enemy immediately.
No, I think you're muted if you're talking.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, at the end, I want to share some about thinking about the future of Autochessia. We want to support more players in the game, maybe 8, and have enhancement on game mechanisms like skills, equipment, and ritual synergy, which means more heroes with the same race would give more buff to allies. We'd like to have some global states about ranking and social, and to generalize some composable game system in order to make it a UGC platform.